Here are some highlights of the January issue of Municipal Sewer and Water magazine. Join us as we explore how MARC construction in Colorado is scaling up to meet the growing demand for trenchless technology. See how they're using a hand-in-glove CCTV strategy that documents pipe health before the first bore. A clean landscape and zero damage to existing utilities are worth the investment. What if the fire department could predict fires before they started? In Kansas City, the Environmental Services team is doing exactly that with their sewer lines. See how they're using Rover X crawlers and risk score algorithms to stop costly collapses before they happen. Surface prep and QC account for 90% of a coating's success and 90% of its failures. If you're treating QA as an afterthought, you're planning for a premature collapse. From light curing a vet clinic's drain to acoustic wall testing in Wyoming, we're tackling it all. We explore a bypass-free manhole rehab in Utah, directional boring in Florida, inflatable line stops in Louisiana, and MIC-resistant coatings in Vegas. Real-world problems and solutions are what the case studies are all about. Stop searching and start comparing. Check out our annual directory for a full breakdown of the industry's leading pipeline repair and rehab solutions. Also in this issue, see how Wisconsin is giving wastewater professionals the statewide appreciation and respect they've earned. Review the critical steps for digging safely around gas lines and what to do if the worst happens. Upgrade your fleet with the latest in trenchless rehab, compact hydro excavation pumps, and smart manhole inserts. Finally, check out the new 565 Butterfly Valve series, offering a sustainable, high-performance alternative for modern municipal systems. All this and more is in the latest issue, free for qualified readers. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading MSW. See you next month.